In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk upload images to Shopify without using CSV import. This is a quick and easy method for adding multiple product images to your store at once. So let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're on the home page, click on Apps from the left sidebar. Next, open the Shopify App Store and search for CS Smart Bulk Image Upload. Click on the app and then select Install to add it to your Shopify store. After the installation is complete, open the app and click Create New Upload. Now connect your Google account so the app can access your image folders from Google Drive. Choose the Google account you want to use and allow the required permissions. Once connected, select the folder that contains your product images. Next, choose the matching option such as product name or SKU so the app can correctly match images with your products. If you want to keep your current product images, make sure to select Don't replace existing images. After everything is set up, click Start Matching. The app will now automatically upload and assign your images to the correct Shopify products. Depending on the number of images, this process may take a few minutes. And that's it. You've successfully bulk uploaded images to your Shopify store without using CSV import. Thanks for watching and happy selling.